Hello everyone, and in today's video we're going to learn about payday loan. That's a lot of loan, but I'm gonna show you something. Let's say I go to a grocery store and I got 4 coins. Actually, in Vietnamese we don't use coin, but these are like these are like coins like I used to play in like games, like machine games, and they gave me some of this. And actually they are different shape because I go to different store and play each of them and I come back with one. But I actually played a lot of them, but a lot of them I actually spent it only 4 shop. I got 4 left and I can't use in any others. Okay, so let's talk about payday loan. A payday loan is for people who need some money before they get their paycheck. So it's like their paycheck haven't come yet and their account, their money isn't enough. So let's say I go to grocery store, I bring my 4 coin. Let's say these are penny. I actually have penny, but they got lost at my grandma's house. So these are coins. And I go to buy some groceries and I didn't have enough money. I just actually have these 4 coins. And I pay them my 4 coin, but they're not enough, of course. So that's when I have to use a payday loan. So it might be used to pay bills, buy groceries, get gas, etc. So you can get a payday loan from a financial lender and not a bank. So a payday loan or just a very smart amount. It is for smaller amount we should use so payday loan are for like using for smaller amount. Usually it will be in range for $100 to $1,000. So this amount is too small for a bank to handle. Yes, for a bank to handle. So they're very short term, so you have to pay them back in 2 to 4 weeks. The interest rate, we've talked a lot about like loans, so there's definitely interest rate. So the interest rate is exorbitantly high, anywhere from 300. Okay, it's exorbitantly high, and I don't want to talk about it because you might say, wow, oh my god. Okay, so the interest rate is from 300% to 750% per year. Per year. I mean, like, that's a lot. Well, why? Because the payday loan from the amount is too small for the bank. To the bank, yes, it is very small. So that's why interest rates, it's gonna have to be higher. So let's say you borrow the bank a payday loan for $1,000, 100. Okay, you borrow $100. From 1 year, let's say the interest rate is 750%. Then after you multiply and get like to calculate it how many you will have to pay a year if you have $1,000 like that, and the interest rate is 750%, then your money's gonna be $7,500 per year. That's how the money you have to pay. So payday loan is kind of like, so payday loan, all kind of loan. Payday loan is the highest interest rate. The highest interest rate, the money that you have to pay like the most of all. So no matter how you're doing, if you have to use the payday loan, then you should try to use it as little as possible because the interest rate of it is very high. So yeah, I got to say, don't use it a lot. Maybe you should use it like another, or yeah, you just money you have. That's the best option. Payday loan. It's very easy, but it is very, very crazy to understand too. Okay, now, guys, so let's practice. I didn't mean this. Okay, but okay. Which is the future of a payday loan? It is A, it is for people that do not have a job or a paycheck. B, it that do, who have a, and need money before they get, usually for a very large amount of money. C, a payday loan is usually for a very large amount of money. Okay, so payday loan is only for use for people. We know that we use payday loan when our paycheck haven't come yet. So we would use a payday loan in that case. But if we have to receive our paycheck, that means you have a job. So it is used for people who have a job and need money before they get their paycheck. And it is not used for people who not have money or paycheck, because then they won't have like be able, so they won't have, so if that happened, then they won't be able to pay back the loan. So B is the correct answer. Not C either, because a payday loan is usually for a very large amount of money. Not really. Payday loan is usually for very little money, but the interest rate it is very high, turning it into a very large amount of money. B is the correct answer. What is a payday loan? A payday loan is a loan that you can get when you need money before payday. B, it is a loan that you pay every payday. C, it is a loan you can get on your payday. Okay, your payday loan, that means that you have to use the money if your paycheck haven't come yet. So, it is a loan that you can get when you need your money before the payday. So A is the correct answer, not B or C, because B, it is a loan that you pay every payday when you got your paycheck already, but you use payday loan, then that's not a good idea. Not a C either, because a loan you can get on your payday. I mean, like, your payday only get paycheck and not a loan. So C is not the correct answer. A is gonna be the correct answer. I want you to do this by your own, because it's the last question. Thank you for coming and have a good day.